Copart have now responded to my court claim and they are standing by what they sold me. But what they sold me and what I actually received were completely two different things. If you haven't seen part 1, a quick recap. So a few months ago, I bought a car from Copart listed as fronts and drives. So naturally, you expect visible damages, but nothing hidden that could completely change the value of the car or the condition of the car. But that's not what I got. Let's make it simple. So this case isn't about if the car had damages. It's about if the damages were disclosed or not. When a car is listed as fronts and drives, it tells you the car starts and it moves under its own power. And there is no clear indication of any major structural damages. But what I found underneath this car completely contradicts that. A bent subframe, a crushed oil sump, and a damaged rat pack. This isn't cosmetic. This is structural damage. It completely changes the value of the car and the condition of the car. When you buy a car from Copart, you accept risk. You expect visible damages and imperfections. But what you don't expect is hidden structural damages that were not disclosed or shown anywhere. Because sold as seen only works when something can actually be seen. You can't sell something as seen if the buyer was never given the chance to see it. So before taking this to court, I did try speaking to Copart to get this resolved and it ended up nowhere. So they were just standing by what they sold me and they were just keep arguing saying it is sold as seen. But as I mentioned, there was nothing shown. So all these damages was omitted and completely hidden. So no descriptions or no pictures. They even argued with me saying they never show pictures of undercarriage of the cars. So what do you call this then? Because I have taken screenshots of multiple cars with undercarriage pictures. Even though it's not damaged, they have pictures showing the undercarriage of some cars. So you can't tell me that you never take pictures of undercarriage. Clearly, when this car has a massive damage underneath, actually structural damage underneath. So I have given them a fair chance to get it resolved, whereas it never happened. And I decided to take this to court, as you know. They even had the audacity to tell me that the responsibility of looking for damages or anything like that sits with the buyer. So you tell me, when an auction is live, how could anyone possibly request to show the car on a video call or something? There is no way. So when I started the auction, the car was like 7-8 minutes away and there is no way that could happen. Also, even if I had seen the car earlier, they never allow anyone to go and physically view the car. So it should have been their responsibility to show any physical damages or any major structural damages, whereas they completely hid that. That's when it became clear that this was never going to get resolved without taking this further. So that's when I decided to take this further and take it to court. And now Copart have responded and they are defending the case. And they are standing by what they sold. So, which means it is heading towards a full hearing now. So as part of the process, we have been scheduled a mediation dated for the 8th of June. So it is a good opportunity for both sides to get this matter resolved without going all the way to the court. So I am open to resolve this, but only if it was a fair outcome which reflects on the value of the car and the condition of the car. If not, I am happy to go all the way to court. And I have all the evidence I need. I have all the pictures from the original listing, the description from the original listing, and the pictures of the undercarriage damages where they said they never do. And also I have quotes from multiple garages to say how much it's going to cost if I was to repair it. It's not a case of repairing it anymore because the entire engine needs to be replaced because it's completely destroyed now. I've already given Copart the opportunity to resolve this matter directly, whereas it never happened. So mediation isn't about starting everything from scratch. It's about if they are willing to take responsibility for what they have sold me. If not, I'm fully prepared to go all the way to the court. This isn't just about the condition of the car. It's about the impact I've had financially and mentally because of this issue. the purchase price of the car, the recovery cost, and the ongoing storage, and the possible repair implications and the cost and everything, and all the stress comes with it. Like, I've been dealing with this for almost 4 months now. I didn't want this. If they had disclosed everything, I would have never gone for this car in the first place. So I would have never had this stress of taking them to courts or having to deal with all this. So all this is because of one issue. The only reason is they never disclosed the full condition of the car. So I am ready to present everything. As I mentioned, I have all the evidence I need, and I'll let the judge decide on what is fair. This isn't about one situation. It's about transparency and whether the buyers are being given a fair and accurate representation of what they are buying. So let me ask you this. If a car was sold as runs and drives but has serious structural damages that were never disclosed, would you expect it to be clearly shown and disclosed, or would you take this as just accept it as buyer's risk? So let me know on the comment down below, and let me know what you think about this case, and if you would have done anything differently. I will be documenting everything as this progresses on what happens next, and what has Copart responded, and the mediation which is due to take place on the 8th of June as well. If you want to see how this plays out, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure to give a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.